Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials and acting immediately. Set a warm hide at about 80-85 degrees F and stabilize humidity at 50 to 60% because digestion needs heat and moisture. Once done, present a thawed prey item sized at roughly 10 to 15% of your python's weight to trigger a natural feeding response. Make sure to limit handling for 1 to 2 days before feeding so your snake is calm. This reduces stress and improves strike confidence. You continue by focusing on presentation and sensory cues to get a strike. Use tongs to simulate prey movement. A short, erratic wiggle often triggers the snake's hunt reflex. If your snake is hesitant, scent the offered prey with a preferred food type. Rub briefly to transfer odor because ball pythons rely heavily on smell. Make sure to offer at the entrance of the hide and try small adjustments in timing or motion. If live feeding stresses you or the snake, switch to pre-killed. You finish by ensuring the feeding completes and by diagnosing problems when it doesn't. Allow an uninterrupted feeding window of 10 to 20 minutes, then remove any uneaten prey so the enclosure stays clean. This prevents spoilage and future aversion. If refusals continue, inspect husbandry. Weight trends, temperature gradients, and signs of illness, because these are common causes. Try a neutral feeding tub, alternate prey types, or brief fasting cycles. And if worry persists, get input from an
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.